you and a date of birth. Okay. And then which medication were you checking?
In the heating and air conditioning field, we do maintenance. We must keep these condensers clean to allow the units to run at peak performance and allow proper discharge air temp into the unit. I am simply vacuuming this off, not using any chemicals due to its location. This should be done periodically.
Hey guys, what's happening? It's Saturday. I just finished up my service call because I am on call till Monday. The reason why I'm shooting this little thing, you see this right here. It's called the sun. We don't get it here in Pittsburgh much. First time I'm using my sunglasses in probably 2 weeks. Have a good day.